if you're working on a document and your edits becoming comments, then there are two reasons of why that happens. So for example, here I have a document, and if I want to change this word from guides to tutorials, it would be coming like that. So this is becoming a comment instead of edit. So why that happens? Well, first, it could be that this is not your document and you don't have the permission to add any changes to the document. You can only add a comment. So that is the first reason. If you want to edit, then you have to ask the document admin to increase or to put your role on a higher level, and then after that you should be able to edit the document easily. But there is another reason. You probably accidentally, and if this is your document, then you probably don't realize that you are using the suggesting mode right here. So if this is your document, then you can just change the setting to editing, and after that this document is yours. You can change anything and you don't have to worry that the changes are going to be a comment. So that's basically how to fix you cannot add a edit into your document. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.